know that you can complete most transactions online at tvlicensing.co.uk. To renew your existing license, press 1. To buy a new license, press 2. To change the address on your license, press 3. If you are aged over 74 and would like to apply for the over 75 license, press 4. Or for anything else, press 5. OK, please select from one of the following 5 options. To change the bank details for your direct debit, press 1. For over 75 inquiries, press 2. To confirm that you have a valid license, press 3. To tell us that you don't need a license, press 4. Or for anything. Thanks. To tell us that you don't require a TV license, press 1. Or to tell us that your property is not occupied, press 2. Thanks. One moment, please. I will transfer you to an advisor.
Good afternoon, TV licensing. You're speaking to. Can I take your license number, reference number, please?
Yes, certainly. It's 0440.
Okay, so can you ask a few security questions? Can you confirm what's the first line of the address and postcode on the letter?
Well, I'm the present occupier. I'm just contacting you in relation to a letter I've received from your company this week.
Okay.
And it's basically the 2-year one, you know, just seeing whether any circumstances have changed and whether the occupiers are the same. And I can confirm that there is no change in circumstances.
Can I
But
take your name, address, and who's calling today?
yeah, you can call me Daniel.
And your surname?
No, I'm not legally obligated to give you that. I'm just, as I say, I'm just phoning as a matter of courtesy to inform you that none of the circumstances have changed.
Right, okay, yeah, that's fine. We don't need the name. Can you ask a few questions first before I can get updated for you?
Go on.
Can you confirm, do you use any equipment to receive foreign channels, cable channels, or satellite channels?
No, as I say, I've removed the implied rights of access, and the reasons for doing so I outlined in a previous phone call a couple of years ago. It's the cover-up with the Jimmy Savile affair, which the BBC and those agents representing the BBC have helped perpetrate over the years. Coinciding with that is also the fact that you reported on 9/11 the fall of the Solomon's building 28 minutes before it come down. Now, lives could have been saved there, and you know, you've basically been proven to be part of that great cover-up and crime against the people of the world. And of course, that would also involve all the deaths that have occurred to all the millions of innocent people since. And on that basis alone, I've removed the invoked right of license of access, and I no longer wish to contract with the BBC. I mean, I believe I'm in no legal obligation to explain matters further than that, as this is just a simple follow-up to whether my circumstances have changed. And I can tell you, no, they certainly haven't, because the BBC are still today propagating the lies and implicated in the thousands, and if not millions, of murders and raping of children going on around the world today.
Right, okay. Well, I'm not here to comment on any of that stuff.
No, I mean, I sympathise.
BBC, it's for any live TV broadcast, whether that's Channel 4 or whether that's satellite or cable.
Well, no, actually, it does directly fund the BBC. I sympathise with the opposition. I mean, I realise you would, you know, you'd rather not do this, but in actual fact, the licence fee does directly fund the BBC, and therefore funds the crime, the fraud, the murder, and the rape.
Right, but I'm not here to comment on any of that stuff.
No, I understand. I'm sympathetic. I am sympathetic. I'm sorry.
What I can do is I can pass on your details so that the request that you've made is put in place for you.
Well, yes. I mean the request is been made a few years ago. I mean, as I say, I'm just replying to the circumstances changed notice, you know, which is, as I read it, it's a standard letter that goes out every couple of years, just in case people move from houses from time to time, you know.
That's correct, yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm just replying for that, and I can confirm that no, the circumstances have not changed. That's all my business this afternoon, to be honest.
Okay, well, I'll pass on your details to get your request put into place now.
Lovely, thank you very much.
Thanks, guys.
Bye bye.